All right, here it is, Super Bowl Sunday, and I just want to show everyone what it means to really have some James fried chicken. That's JFC. As you can see here, this is just the first outer layer of the crispiness that comes with the chicken. And as you see here, I got some chicken strips going in this one, and I've got more golden brown goodness coming out of the fryer. So I just want everybody to understand that when James does chicken right, James does chicken right. So if you need any help, hit me up. But as you can see, golden brown goodness is all that's going on here in the Canada household today. God bless. Y'all enjoy y'all Super Bowl. I know I am.